Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. If you are a returning subscriber, I say thank you for always coming back to view my channel and thank you for your support. And if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing and also turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to attach a fringe to your boo dress. And it's easy to make and it's beginner friendly. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the tutorial. So I'm done sewing the boo. If you want to know how I made this boo, I'll be dropping the link down for you to watch. So I have with me the fringe, which is 20 inches in length. So you are going to be attaching it on the bottom of the boo dress. Also, I've cut down 2 stripes of fabric which measured 1.5 inch by 38 inches. So this is the bottom of the gown. You can see that, and this is the main boo dress. You can see how beautiful it looks. You see, this is the good side. At the bottom of the dress, you are going to place the fringe like this. You turn it to the opposite side like so. We are going to lay this fringe on the edges like this. You can see what I'm doing. So we are going to place it like so. See, from the starting. So I'll pin it down so that it will be easy for you to understand. And I'm using 2 yards of fringe. So after pinning it on all the edges like this, what I'll do is I'll take my 1 stripe like this and then place it on it like this. Stitch it with 1/2 inch. I'll stitch it to the end. After stitching it, I'll come and show you the next thing to do. After attaching the fringe to the bottom of the boo, this is how it looks. Let me show you. After stitching it on the fringe, I went ahead and top stitch it on the strap. You can see that. So the fringe is going to show under the dress. So now the next thing to do is to fold this strap inside like this. Then I'll take it to my machine and stitch on it like so. So you can see how the fringe will look. See, it will look very neat. You see? So I'll go and stitch it and come back and show you the final look. This is the outcome of our fringe. You see how beautiful it looks on the boo. You can see that. You see how neat it looks. And you can see it like this. Hope you can see it. It's under the dress. You see how neat it look. I stitch it. So this is the easiest way of attaching your fringe. So guys, there are so many ways of attaching your fringe to your dress. There are so many methods out there, so you can go and pick whichever is easy for you to make. So this is the end of our today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Also share my video to your family and friends. Comment if you want to ask any question or you don't understand anything. You should just drop your questions down below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.